Hey, what's up everyone? It's the Tastemaker and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to be reviewing a short pixie wig. As you guys can see, going back to my roots, getting back into the short looks. You guys know how much I love short hair and I'm so happy to be bringing this fall edition to you guys. I thought this wig would be perfect for the fall season, the winter season coming up. I mean, this type of color is so in for the fall. So if you guys want to see exactly how I got this look, then definitely continue watching. Today's video is sponsored by YWigs, so shout out to YWigs for working with me yet again. They have such a great selection of wigs and they do such a great job when it comes to their colored units. A lot of my favorite color wigs that I've owned have been from YWigs and they just do a really good job. So if you guys want to get more information on this hair, if you guys want to see how I styled this, if you guys want to see how I styled today's look, then definitely continue watching. So this is the front part of the wig. And I don't know if you guys noticed it or not, but they already made bangs for me. You see the bangs right here? Like they're already cut and everything. So here's the parting space. Oh, you guys can't see any of that. I'm just gonna go ahead and try the wig on. But everything is already cut and all that good stuff. Here is what it looks like in the inside. It has combs, and the combs are on the tracks. They're not on the lace, so I love that about the lace. Here's what the lace looks like. There is no need to bleach the knots on this unit because the hair is already burgundy. Okay, it does have adjustable straps in the back and it has a comb as well. Actually, before I put it on, let me cut the extra lace off that's in the back.
I just want you to focus. Pull me in, pull me closer. Give me that diagnosis. Blow my mind like explosions. Just one touch leaves me helpless. On repeat like it's endless. That she's turned to a white dress. Looks so good, damn you did this, yeah. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, just focus on my love. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, just focus on my love. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, just focus on my love. I just want you to focus. Gotta keep your composure like you tryna earn that diploma. Do it over and over, yeah. Make it pop Coca-Cola. Keep it hot Barcelona. But she's turned to a white dress. Looks so good when I'm naked, yeah. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, just focus on my love. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, just focus on my love. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, just focus on my love.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See no one else can do like you do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on.
So I pulled my wig down like really far. I don't know if you guys can tell, like all up under here, like it's like really low on my forehead. Typically, you guys know I don't wear my wigs this low, but because this hair is like pre-cut and I do want it to like cover my eye a little bit, I brought the wig down a lot more. But you know, that's just an FYI. And then I'm just gonna pretty much have it like this. So now what I wanna do, this area right here, I'm just gonna zoom you guys in real quick. This area up in here is just not, it's not doing it for me. And that's because it needs to be tweezed. This part needs to be tweezed and this area right here needs to be tweezed, and so does this little area right here, which is my little sideburn. So I am going to tweeze all of that. Before I do that though, I am going to go ahead and just start flat ironing this wig out. I know that this is ready. I did put a heat protectant on my hair already, as you guys saw. This hair also does have some hairspray in it. Let me put a little more. Has some flyaways. And I am gonna also put some bio silk, just a little bit. This hair is bleeding. I don't know if you guys can see that, but my hands are turning red. So that's just an FYI for all of you guys out there. And this is just so that my hair is not looking all extra dry or nothing. So I'm just putting some bio silk in there. Give it some life, honey.
Ice straight again. 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 Alexander Wayne. Wrist Eddie Kane. Top McLean. Park it at the flame. I was insane. What my jeweler brain. Hiding Kurt Cobain. Hunter Bruce Wayne. Big boy Paddock and a skillet. Paddock. Sit ring tones on the celly. You get your ice wrong, go to Elliot. Ice. Smash on the wrist, J Reddick. Got a bag, trust no medic. These niggas drinking on straight synthetic. Ain't tryna fuck no bitch that petty. Skirt on the hole like Andretti's. It'll lock up if you wet it. Chopping it all like machete. Swerve on the Josh and spaghetti. Come to the north if you ready. If they said he said it, and I said it. If they said he said it, and I said it. Shoot for my niggas like Belly. Shoot for my niggas like Belly. Straight again. Ice 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 straight again. Hey, diamonds look like candy corn. Sent the chain mail, born no mail is airborne. On the chain with the flash like you're shooting porn. 5K ring, bullet pointers, tell me where you're going. The neck, wanna fuck Undertaker. If my diamonds had a voice, it would sound like Fantasia. $1 million on my jewelry, big appraisal. I'm nigga ball like the Rosen. Every scally fully frozen. Back wrist, all commotion. Rocks on my wrist, so white, need a whole kind of lotion. Diamond be wet like the oceans. Wanna watch like this pussy, it's concussion by a pretty token. Big hairs and they real nigga flooded. If a nigga hate it, call him Joe Budden.
Okay guys, so this is officially the finished look. I do have a more natural looking part. As you guys can see, it looks more like scalp. I went in and I plucked right here, and then of course on my sideburns as well. The sideburns, I'm like, I don't know how I feel about them right now. And then this is the front half. The lace on this unit is so nice. It looks so natural. Like, even though the hairline is super low right here, like it still looks very natural. And I didn't pluck any of this. This is just how this part came. And then my little bang area, I like how they have it layered. It is very short, so if you have a big forehead, you're definitely gonna need to bring this down some. And then my forehead isn't even that big, but it still required me to do so, only because of how the bangs are cut. And I don't know about you, but I kind of like my bangs over my eye. If I didn't do that, I feel like the hair would have been like up here more so. But you know, we just make do with what we got. That's what we do. So boom, that's what this is looking like. So yeah, so here's the box that my wig came in. It's in this black like sleek box. This is their classic YWigs packaging. Here's what it looks like. Okay, so YWigs does accept returns and exchanges. So if you're ever dissatisfied with your order, no worries, because you guys can fill out this little slip right here, send the wig back, and you can either return it for a full refund, or you guys can go ahead and get a new wig from them. So you just fill this out, and yeah, so I think that's awesome because a lot of companies don't actually offer returns. Also inside you do get an elastic band. I love getting elastic bands now. Before I used to be like, okay, well whatever, I don't really use them, but now I actually find use for them. And this is one that actually is adjustable as well. So if you were to sew this in, it has adjustments to it. So it can adjust to your size, and it's not just like a generic elastic band. So it is stretchy enough, and they also come with this part. This is like the hook part that you would sew onto the actual wig, and then this would be the part that's like removable and you can take it off. And then this is the other side. If you guys would like to see how to actually sew these in, let me know and I can totally do a detailed video on how to add an elastic band for a glueless method. I might do that actually really soon. And then finally, of course, we get a free wig cap. You guys know I absolutely love when they send the wig caps to me. I haven't actually bought a wig cap in probably over a year, or probably longer, because companies always send me these, so I never have to buy them. And they come 2-in-1, so you use one, and then I don't change mine like within every install. I use like the same wig cap at least for like a week, and then I switch out into another one. So, you know, once a week, switching out your wig caps, and you're good to go. So now that our unit is applied, let me go ahead and give you guys the deets on this wig. So this is a very short pixie wig. I'm not sure how many inches. It's probably about like 8 inches or something like that. Maybe even shorter, especially in the bang area. It's definitely shorter than 8 inches. It does come layered. It does come already styled. The only thing that you have to do is just flat iron it or curl it. Maybe adjust the part to be a little bit more sharp like how I did, and then put some makeup on it, and you're pretty much good to go. I love the color on me. This is like one of those universal colors that just works for everybody, and I thought this would be perfect for the fall season because fall is officially here. The lace color that I have is medium, so if you are of a deeper skin tone, or if you're around my skin tone and you want to know what lace color I got, oh my god, girl, JT is finally home. I just got the post. Look, JT is home. Okay, yeah, so really like this unit. It is a 13x6 unit as well, so you can really part this unit really far back. I just kind of left the parting space that was in the unit because I figured they parted it that way for a reason. And I did want to mention that the color does bleed, so if you are to wear this unit, I would say to wash it with cold water first before actually wearing the unit, just to get some of the excess dye off, because the dye has gotten on my nails. It is actually a little bit on my ear right here as well, but you guys can't even tell, but it's like at the top of my ear. It's kind of stained. My fingers were stained, but I went ahead and washed them. But the more you like touch this hair, then just be mindful. That's why I changed my top. The color that I currently have is 99J. They do also offer this unit with a 1B 99J, so it's like dark roots and then it goes into this color if you don't want to just have the pure burgundy color. But I mean, hello, look how bomb this color is. Like, who wouldn't want this all the way through? I mean, hello. This unit is 120% density. It's not a super thick wig, but honestly it is a lot full. You know, it definitely is pretty full for a short haircut. It's not thin, because 120% sounds super thin, like paper thin, but it's not like that at all. As you guys see, this unit is definitely very full, like all the way through. It's not like a super thin wig. But yeah, so if you guys are interested in this unit, I will leave a link listed down below so you guys can check it out. I really like short haircuts. If you always wanted to try a short haircut, I think this wig is perfect for anybody who has ever wanted to try a haircut but doesn't want to actually like commit to going to cut their hair. I love that a lot more companies are being more creative with their wigs, from the coloring to cutting them to styling them. Like this wig pretty much came pre-styled for me. I didn't have to do anything really, as you guys saw. That's why this video is going to be probably really short. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys really like this short pixie look. If you guys are interested, like I said, a link will be listed down below. Shout out to YWigs for working with me yet again, and I will see all of you guys in my next one. Bye!